Struggled with funnels, content, or autoresponders? This AI room sells for you. No tech, no tools, just one affiliate link. Let me tell you a story. Jerry was 66. He wasn't new to life, but he was brand new to online marketing. He didn't care about building personal brands, setting up domains, or figuring out autoresponders. He didn't want to build a funnel or launch an offer. He didn't even know what those meant. What Jerry wanted was simple, a way to earn a little extra money quietly, passively, without turning his life upside down. No tech, no content, no pressure. He just wanted something that worked. Then he found ClickAgent AI. He followed 3 steps, logged in, pasted in his affiliate link, clicked Activate Room. He shared the link in a Facebook group for hobbyists. Nothing fancy, no pitch, just a quiet mention. 2 days later, $23.00 in affiliate commissions showed up in his account. He didn't build a funnel, didn't install software, didn't film a video or send an email. He just used a smart room powered by AI that sold for him while he slept. That story, it's fictional, but what's very real is the system that made that story believable. Hi, I'm Ram Rawat. Over the past 10 years, I've done over $1 million in affiliate commissions. But more importantly, in just the last 4 years, I've helped over 60,000 marketers and generated more than $2.5 million in revenue. I've built courses, launched software, helped complete beginners get their first commissions, and guided veterans to 6-figure wins. But none of that is why I built ClickAgent AI. I built it for one reason. I was tired of watching good people fail. I used to believe training was enough. If I could simplify the steps, people would get results. So I tried everything, step-by-step videos, checklists, templates, even full DFY funnels. But the same emails kept showing up. Ram, I'm trying, but I still don't get it. Ram, I feel dumb. I just want to launch something that works. Ram, I don't even know where to start. These weren't lazy people. They were people like you. Motivated, determined, but burned out. They had families, jobs, bills, and pressure. They'd bought dozens of courses, but none delivered real results. And that's when it hit me. People don't need more lessons. They need their first win. Not in 30 days, not after 10 steps, but now. They need something so simple, it feels like cheating. So fast, it feels unreal. So done for you, they don't just hope, it actually works. That's why I built ClickAgent AI. This system isn't training, it's transformation. Here's what my friend and longtime marketer Yogesh Agarwal said. This is the first time I've seen a no-funnel solution outperform a full funnel. The AI room doesn't just talk. It sells, educates, and even supports. Setup took 6 minutes. Sales came in the same day. Mind officially blown. This is not your typical software. ClickAI wasn't born out of theory. It came from frustration, trial, failure, late-night refund requests, and support tickets that broke my heart. I'd tried every funnel builder, every plugin, every so-called DFY system. They all had one thing in common. They weren't done for you. They were half-built templates you still had to figure out. Import this file, connect to your autoresponder, edit these 6 pages, write your own emails. That's not beginner-friendly. That's torture. So I asked the question nobody else asked. What if the user didn't need to build anything? What if they didn't need a funnel, a script, a list, or even a product? What if they could launch a complete selling system in minutes? That's how ClickAgent AI was born. ClickAgent AI is what I call a one-link selling machine. Here's how it works. You log in, you choose your AI avatar. This is your personal sales agent. You pick the voice, room style, and template, paste in your affiliate link, click Activate. That's it. In under 5 minutes, your room is live. Your avatar is talking, pitching, answering questions, and even handling objections. All you do is share your link. Imagine this. Someone clicks your room link. They're greeted by your AI rep. Friendly, clear, professional. It starts explaining the offer. It highlights the benefits. It answers preloaded FAQs. It even provides support. And then it directs them to your affiliate link to buy. You didn't write anything. You didn't record anything. You didn't even have to be present. That's real automation. And it's built for people who've tried everything else and are ready for something that actually works. Let me give you another story. Alyssa is 34, mom of 2, works full-time as a receptionist. She's bought 5 different plug-and-play systems in the past year. None worked. She always got stuck on the funnel, or the email copy, or connecting it all together. One night, while her kids were watching TV, she signed up for ClickAgent AI. Setup took 6 minutes. She posted her room link in a WhatsApp group the next morning. By lunchtime, 2 commissions. Now, Alisa runs 3 rooms, each for different affiliate products. She earns while doing laundry, while working, while sleeping. That's the kind of peace this system creates. And this isn't just about stories. We ran a live simulation to prove it. We used a low-ticket WarriorPlus offer, $9. No funnel, no email list, no branding, just ClickAgent AI. We mailed the room link to a small section of our email list. In 48 hours, 31 clicks, 7 leads, 3 sales, $27 in affiliate commissions, all from one room, one link. Now let's pause. Close your eyes for a second and picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, you reach for your phone, you check your email or notifications, and there it is. You've earned a commission. You didn't send an email, didn't film a video, didn't even check your dashboard yesterday. It just worked. ClickAgent AI did the heavy lifting for you. You finally feel like, I can actually do this. That's not a dream. That's the potential of the room you're about to activate. ClickAgent AI isn't just a tool. It's a complete automated system that replaces your sales page, your explainer video, your funnel builder, your autoresponder, your chatbot, your support desk, your entire website. Gone, all replaced with a single AI-powered room. Right now, you can grab ClickAgent AI for a special one-time launch price. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. But this price, it's rising. Every few hours, the discount drops. Wait too long, and you'll either pay more or miss the launch entirely. Click the button below, log in, launch your first room in under 5 minutes. Still on the fence? You're protected by a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. Test it, try it, see it in action. If it's not the easiest system you've ever used, just email us. We'll refund every penny. No hard feelings, no hassle, just real support. And speaking of support, you're not alone. We've got an email support team on standby. You'll get access to bonus training, webinars, traffic strategies, live builds. You'll see exactly how others are using ClickAgent AI to generate passive income. You're not just buying software. You're joining a system built for people who've been burned before and are ready for their first real win. This is your moment. The price increases soon. The fast action bonuses are limited. The launch won't last forever. Let's recap. With ClickAgent AI, you get AI avatar that sells and supports for you. Works with any affiliate or product link. No tech, no content, no camera. Live in under 5 minutes. One-time price, backed by a 30-day guarantee. Your first commission could be one link away. Click below, join Click AI, and let your room do the talking. We'll see you on the inside.